Oke, kembali lagi bersama saya John Battle. Kali ini kita akan melanjutkan career mode Sassuolo ya. Dan kita akan melawan Como. Kita akan away ke Como. Namun sebelum itu saya akan menyuruh youth squad saya untuk terbang ke Italia ya, untuk mencari bakat-bakat Italia. Di posisi center back tentunya ke Italia ya, yang sangat erat dengan center back. RB juga bisa. Fullback, defender, ball playing. Oke. Itali dan satunya, oh bentar. Satunya kita akan taruh dia di mana ya? Spanyol, Jerman. Ntar kita lihat komposisi main kita dulu ya. Attacking 5, midfielder 8, defender 1, kiper 2. Striker kita punya banyak. Oke, right winger. Right winger. Ini harusnya left winger sih. Left winger. Bukan. Oke, untuk di midfielder aman. Defender 9. Cok ngaco cok. 1 kan. Oke, kita akan mencari defender European juga kah? Di mana nih defender? Ke Inggris, Jerman, Spanyol. Ntar. Kita ke Inggris saya lah ya. Sama kayak tadi, defender, fullback, dan juga fullback di sini. Oke, gas. Oke, sebelumnya kita press conference terlebih dahulu ya sebelum training. Oke, Gallagher tentu saja adalah pemain penting kita saat ini ya. Dan Berger juga pemain penting di lini tengah, dua roh permainan kita ya. Marcus Thuram yang selalu bermain bagus di setiap match. Oke, untuk training kita bisa shooting kah? Counter scenarios, no. Kita coba ini ya. Tantangan Pak, ini lumayan sulit ini. Anjir kok gak maju. Hadar. Astaga, Murik. GG Murik. Offside kah? Oke. Aduh, Muaremovic. Pas latihan GG, pas main ngampas cuk Muaremovic. Astaga, kurang cepat. Anjir, Muaremovic sumpah. Aduh, finishing bapuk. Anjir, Muaremovic pas latihan bagus loh. Cuk, drill cuk. Gelo. Astaga. Murik. Offside. Astaga, onside ya. Alah. Wih. Retri sih, retri. Anjir, skill apaan, Cok? Anjir, Murik di latihan bagus sekali lagi. Duh, kontrol. Aduh, Thuram mau peran. Offset. Nah, job. Nah, good job. Wah, su. Beuh, mahal. Aduh, kok ke situ sih Thuram? Nah. Oke, exit aja lah ya. Untuk pre-open analysis, mereka menggunakan formasi 5-2-3. Oke, Fadera ya, pemain yang pernah bermain bersama kita. Oke, untuk Murik boleh main karena di latihan GG tadi dia ya. Oke, langsung saja ke kandang Koma FC. Di real life mereka GG ya. Komo di peringkat keempat, bisa ngalahin Roma kemarin. Comeback remontada. Iya, langsung. Main santai, Gallagher, Doik seperti biasa.
It's Como and they face Sassuolo. I think it's so important that both teams start on the front foot, take the game to the opposition.
And an early goal would
certainly settle any nerves. And so for the Sassuolo starting lineup. Yeah, it's a 5-2-3 out of possession, but as soon as they win the ball back,
mereka bermain dengan tempo lambat ya.
Making sure that those wing backs push forward.
Duvikas.
They made a brilliant start here, and the manager's tactics are clearly giving them the upper hand once again. Oh, definitely. They played their cards right in each encounter so far, haven't they? Determined defending. Domenico Berardi. Oh, what an opportunity! And it would have been quite the dramatic moment at this stage of the game. Oh, he'll be disappointed with that. Maybe it just came to him a little bit early. Attack looks promising. Sent through.
Ya Allah, Berardi 2 peluang, 2 shot, 1 on target, 1 off target. Doik. Alah, Monteiro cedera lagi.
Yeah, 1-0. It was a really tight game, wasn't it? I can't see anything other than a win again today. They've got a real strength in depth and they're bound to create chances. It's just about being clinical. Marcus Thuram. Can he finish?
Masa nggak gol ketiga?
And a goal! Now they've broken through. 1-0 here.
Boom. Kata siapa Berardi nggak bisa ngegulin, ditaruh di sayap, Pak. Itu GG. Ya kan? Umpan dari Thuram, Pak. Anjir, cedera. Oke, kita tunggu berapa menit ya. Kalau masih cedera ya kita ganti, Pak. Itu bahu sih harusnya. Setelah duel kan soalnya. Thuram.
Martin Baturina. Now look at this, they might be able to catch it here. A fine reading of the situation. Gallagher.
Astaga, harusnya saya
Well, I thought they were in big
lob pass
trouble
aja ya,
there.
lob through pass aja ya.
Plenty of support here.
Good
He
job.
read the situation defensively and did his job. Thuram. Maybe dangerous here. Could be in here. And that's a very
Ya
good
Allah,
foul.
pas tengah terus sih.
Gallagher. Adam Roger. Can they take advantage? And the
Kurang
danger's still on.
kenceng. Wih,
Thuram. Wouter Burger.
kayak kita ganti aja lah ya. Cedera beneran nih Pak.
Putting it where he wanted to.
Well, that's unlucky. It's not
Let's go.
far away, but they'll be hoping that
Ryong
they
Gumoha,
don't rue
it's
this
time
missed
to you show
opportunities.
your talent. Astaga. Tapi di real life dia sayangnya kurang jam terbang ya sama Arne Slot. Padahal GG loh. Ya walaupun di posisi dia ada Cody Gakpo ya, cuman bisa lah harusnya gantian.
Just the challenge that was required. Domenico Berardi. Oh, really promising for them.
Yeah, that looks really promising. They'll be disappointed, you know.
Selalu di depan bingung Pak.
Voivoda.
Tetap konsen, oke. Babak pertama telah usai, skor 1-0 untuk keunggulan Sassuolo ya.
Offside in this game.
Kita main-main.
So back underway and an intriguing second half in prospect.
Oh, ini Kopas nih main. Di real life GG banget Pak, dia pengatur serangannya
Yeli
Como.
Rugani.
Trequartista ya, Trequartista versi modern. Kayak si siapa mainnya? Kakak.
Defensive intervention there.
Kurang. GG. Gak bisa.
More live football to come. A little note about a future game with us here on EA TV.
Yeah, and I can't wait for it. Should be a cracker that.
Now, hold on to, they're in here. And a goal! They've increased the
Losek.
lead, and they don't want to be throwing it away from here.
Selebrasi dulu. Menang mah bebas kan selebrasi. Siap. Montero.
Well, we can see it again, and he does well. He shows great strength and balance to fend the defender off, and then he slots it home. It's a really good goal, that.
Ya kalau pemain sih nggak harus mencetak gol sih setiap laga lah ya.
Voivoda.
Turam udah banyak lah golnya, maksudnya
Rosena. Mergim Voivoda.
statistiknya 5 pertandingan 5 gol gitu. Bahkan kemarin 4 pertandingan 5 gol Pak. Gila Turam.
Out of play for a Sassuolo throw. Wouter Burger.
Astaga.
Perfectly positioned to take it away.
Oke. Apa-apa yuk. Felipe Jack Robertson. Andre Robertson nih. Anjir ke Como dia.
On the ball, Schlager. Well, we really are at the
Oke, kita
business
mundur
end
deh.
of the cup competition. The
Xavier.
semi-final first leg, live action to come on EA TV. It's Sassuolo facing
That's a
Roma.
big chance here, Derek.
Real chance.
Astaga.
A goal to reduce the
Bahaya Pak, bahaya.
and hope that they can turn this round. Marcus Thuram. Malo Gusto. Jay Eads. Domenico Berardi. Gusto. Now with Burger. Conor Gallagher. Wasteful there from
Aduh.
Sassuolo.
Well, you can tell the crowd sense something here. It's getting late, but they're really
Burger
pushing the
sih
team on
GG sih.
now.
Gumoha. Aduh. Anjir, masih kena dong. Wah, anjir, Gallagher.
Good work from
Paul Pato,
Sassuolo
kamu
to
jangan
win
di
it back.
deket pemain lawan dong. Lah. Telat lagi.
Duvikas. Here's Robertson.
Press bahaya.
They could level it.
Turut murid, Pak. Gigi. Oke, kita boleh ganti pemain. Sulemana. Oke. Di belakang Morimovic tadi di latihan bagus lah ya mainnya ya. Circati.
Playing it in. It might be.
Astaga.
Real leather, but miles
Bel
off
kalah
target.
dong.
Kamaldeen Sulemana. Marcus Thuram.
Semua.
Good wing play. But he can't keep that effort on target. And a goal kick it'll be.
William Musula. Yuk Pepe terus, press. Alah, kosong.
Well, just listen to the atmosphere. The fans certainly
Sulemana sih
still believe that
masalahnya
they
di
can get
ini
something
sih,
from the game, and they want
di
just one
stamina.
last push. There is still time.
Good job Thuram.
We might very well have late excitement here. 5 minutes to go, and just one goal between them.
Aduh,
Oh,
kasih
read it
mau
really
ke
well.
Gumoha niatnya anjing. Malah ke situ. Bahaya. Turun.
They know
Aduh,
what they need,
kurang
and that's an
deket
equaliser
kawalannya
here.
ya.
And it's played into the centre.
Doik ngapain? Oke, kemenangan
There goes a
penting ya.
final whistle,
Shot
and it's
kali
all
ini.
gone to plan for the visiting
GG.
fans. 3 points for them.
Gol dicetak oleh Berardi dan juga Losek. Wah, anjir, Thuram Pak. 2 assist, siap. Oke, GG. Match fake kita lagi-lagi shotnya lebih banyak. Oke, banyak tim imbang ya, aman.
Siamo in compagnia del mister per le prime impressioni a caldo sul match appena concluso.
Gusto, pemain timnas Brazil yang bermain cukup bagus ya pertandingan kali ini. Doik. Oke, lo Doik
Ringraziamo il
perkembangannya.
mister per le
Masula apa tuh? Oke. Unread message. Thanks, of course. Oke, Ndur, lu bakalan dapat main kok, tenang aja. Oke, 5 hari, nggak terlalu lama lah ya. Aman. Oke, kita akan melawan AS Roma di semifinal ya. Coppa Italia. Kita langsung ke opponent analisis dulu. Mereka menggunakan formasi 3-4-2. Anjir, Sadio Mane. Paulo Dybala ya target mainnya ya, siap. Kita press conference terlebih dahulu. JJ tentunya sangat siap. Dan di semifinal kayak gini kita nggak apa ya? Maksudnya kita harus lebih aware lah ya. Karena lawannya tim-tim makin gede. So, aduh, jangan training dulu lah. Sekali 2 kali training. Nah, kita masalah finishing. Siap. Wah, anjir Thuram. Gelo. Oh, harus kotak 2 kali ya. Oh, siap. Gusto. Tunjukkan pesonamu, Gusto. Oke, siap, Gusto. Ini sudah pasti lolos lah ya. Oh, anjir. Oke, gitu bisa ya. Oke. Langsung saja kita kita save-save dulu lah ya. Menang save-save dulu lah. Aman lah, aman. Oke, bentar lihat peringkat dulu. Untuk Serie A kita di peringkat ke-6. Selisih 1 poin dengan AS Roma ya, yang kita lawan di Coppa Italia ini. Selanjutnya mereka akan melawan Milan. Oke, GG. Untuk schedule bentar. Ini 1 leg apa 2 leg sih? Oh, 2 leg. Oke, siap. Walaupun 2 leg ya tentunya kita harus nggak boleh meremehkan lah. Mungkin 1-2 pemain boleh lah diberi kesempatan. Si Endur main boleh. Sula kita mainkan sejak awal. Oke, biarin situ. Volpato nanti bisa gantian. Oke, sorry. Pras main. Kabar nanti aja lah. Oke, langsung kita gaskan dia. Oke. Kita masukkan, mungkin bisa kita Murik spesialis Copa lah ya. Sulemana. Oke.
We're starting to get to the nitty-gritty now. Only 4 teams remain alive in the cup, and the scene is set for what should be an exciting semi-final. Who will make it through? We have all the action for you live on EA TV. Hello and a warm welcome on what is a glorious night of football. Perfect playing conditions. And Derek Ray here on the commentary gantry, joined by Sue Smith, who'll provide all the tactical observations. Only 4 teams are left in this cup competition. We're at the semi-final stage, and this is the first leg. Sue, what are your expectations for today?
Yeah, it's a huge match for both teams. I'm interested to see how they approach this tactically, knowing that there's another leg coming. Hopefully we'll see some goals though.
And here's the Roma starting 11. Gianluca Mancini plays alongside Evan Ndika in central defense.
Oke, Manu Kone. Kita bisa lihat Manu Kone lah ya. Seperti apa dia di sini. Aduh, Gallagher. Dybala target man.
Now options are plenty. Really vital interception.
Yeah, dealt with that really well, didn't he?
Domenico Berardi.
Anjir, oke. Pisili. Siapa Pak Pisili?
Well, you can probably see why we're focusing on this fellow as one to watch. In particular, what do you expect to see from him?
Well, if they play high line defensively today, he's certainly going to exploit that space in behind. He's so quick, and then he's got that quality on the end, which makes him such a dangerous player.
And it's one pass after another. Take the lead here. Now in a more than decent position. Still could finish.
Anjir, offside.
Yeah, he didn't have long to react, but we have to praise his reflexes.
Anjir, saya mau ganti target player tuh lupa terus loh. Ya kalau Struik ya untung-untungan, kadang masuk, kadang enggak, kadang menang duel udara. Cuman kalau Thuram chance menangnya lebih besar lah ya. Anjir, mana Doik? Oke.
And that'll be a Sassuolo ball. Paz. Domenico Berardi. Gallagher.
Usah.
Trying to open them up.
Anjir, onside. Oke,
From the semi-final. First goal of the contest.
Anjir, kita
Well, here it is again, and he does well
Yeah.
to get into a goal scoring
buang
position.
maksudnya
Get the
jual
shot
Skelero
off, but it
dengan
is a
harga
bit fortuitous how
8,5,
it
dapatnya
goes
Osula dengan
there.
harga
The
6
keeper
juta
can't get
sih.
anything on it.
Upgrade banget pak. Selain refresh ya, upgrade skill juga. Dan secara postur dia tinggi juga ya, 6'4". Skelero juga sama segitu, cuman beda jauh lah.
Underway, and 1-0 it is.
Dari ratingnya
See
juga
what happens
beda.
next.
Finishing Skelero bagus, cuman ini
Guardiola
lebih proper aja pak, lebih GG aja.
and
Di
Mancini
depan
on
tuh
the
udah nggak
ball.
ragu lah. Lari terus strength-nya.
Kumbula. And Mancini on the ball. And Sassuolo come away with it. And he has
Omoha.
options available.
Aduh, terlalu
Great vision. Great block.
corner. Ntar saya rubah dulu. Near the post. Oke.
Who's going to get on the end of it?
Wah anjir kan. Lebih GG kan. Kalau Thuram di situ.
Electing to cross into the center.
Maksudnya chance menangnya itu lebih gede pak. Aduh, kontrolnya
Tackle.
Bang Jai. Alah,
Never able to hold on to it.
kenapa nggak shot pakai kaki kiri pak?
Mane.
Oke,
And there it is, the half-time whistle.
keunggulan babak pertama ya.
I think most fans
Gol dari William Usula.
and away they go again into the second half. Roberto Alvarado. And Mancini on the ball. Mane.
Mane,
He has teammates
Udah halangin
around
sih.
him.
bahaya.
Great defending. Well, he was keen to give that one a
Oke,
go.
nahan gawang.
Sadly, lacking a bit of accuracy. Gallagher.
Bentar.
Well, this is the home of live football, and we have more action from Serie A coming up here on EA TV. It's Sassuolo versus Genoa.
Yeah, should be a good game. That's some top quality players. to watch.
Aduh,
Good strength to keep the ball.
Oh, he's done brilliant to keep possession.
Dybala. Alexander Sørloth. Well, the misplaced
good
pass
job
there.
Gallagher. Oke, sip.
Gallagher.
Aduh, nggak mau lah. Umpannya juga jelek sih.
And now Ndika. Minas Villa.
Duel Moremovic.
Well, this is the
Aduh,
home of live football.
tetep aja kalah duel
EA TV.
Moremovic nih.
Delighted that you're with us, and hope very much you'll join us for this match coming up.
Well, it's one I'm
Wih,
looking
si
forward to. Hopefully
Pras,
we'll get a competitive
gelo.
match.
Ntar, santai. Santai kan, seperti ISO Speed. Kata ISO Speed santai.
A long
Duh,
way from
nggak
the
bisa
back.
santai.
Could be troublesome. Could still be dangerous. doing their bit to keep
Duh,
them out.
Pras, kontrol bolamu kayak gitu loh.
Having a shoot.
Oke, Job Murid tahan.
Confidently. Good one, very much in control of the situation.
Ya ampun, Joshua baru dipuji tadi finishing
Well,
bagus.
he's got to be clinical there. It's a great opportunity to score.
Bagus ya si Thuram menarik pemain belakang terakhirnya sehingga ada space untuk shooting. Cuman ya perlu diasah lagi lah. Finishing seperti itu.
Now we're inside the final 15 minutes.
Tar, Sorlot,
Kone. Good
Bang Jai.
distribution. Sassuolo. This could level it.
Bang Jai terlalu menyala.
Stopping a certain goal.
I thought he was in there, right like a goal for sure, didn't it?
Domenico Berardi.
Jangan gabung. Wah, sikat. Kasih dulu selebrasi andalanmu.
No
no.
looking back now, surely.
Semua selebrasi. Rio Gumoha, 18 tahun Pak.
Well, we can
Calon
see
bintang
again
timnas
now
Inggris ya.
how wonderfully weighted pass this is. It's inch perfect.
Boom.
Once he's in, it's all about
Gelo,
the finish.
Spiller nggak
No
bisa
messing around, just
menjangkau.
blast past the keeper. So emphatic, what a hit.
Bentar. Wah, anjir 81. Marti bisa kita Polpatu. Ntar tengah dulu. Tengah kita kasih kesempatan kepada tengah biarin aja ya. Nah, untuk back kita bisa mainkan berapa orang? Luseka. Oke, Thuram untuk bentar, daripada Thuram nih Berardi Pak yang diganti.
He's made a real difference, I must say, but the manager decides that this is the time to make a change.
Ayo Marti.
Alvarado.
Aduh,
Kone.
kabar gimana sih?
Alexander Sørloth. Well, in the end, nothing really to worry the keeper about.
Oh, it's unlucky there, just a bit too much on it.
Seems to switch off for a
Astaga.
moment, and now a throw in. Well, they are committed to making the substitution
Isili
here.
El Sarawi masuk.
And so into the
Stefano
final
El Sarawi
5
ya,
minutes.
udah tua Pak.
Not really typical of Dybala to give it away like that.
Astaga, bisa. Party.
Sulemana.
Oke, onside.
Ball. If there were any remaining doubts,
Kasih dulu selebrasi ini. Curang nih bos.
Well, this all starts with a brilliant
asis
ball
Marti.
over the top.
GG asisnya ya.
Perfect.
Membelah
As soon as
lautan.
he's through 1v1 with the
Wah,
keeper,
ini
he
bisa
just
berkembang
smashes
si
it.
Marti nih.
Such power in the strike, it's brilliant.
Bisa lah ya. GG yuk, GG. Marti, bayangin. Mundur. Polpato nggak ada obat. Oke, good job. Kita menang dengan skor yang cukup meyakinkan 3-0 ya. Tapi jangan lupa ada leg kedua. Oke, main facts kita 8 shot Pak, kita dominan banget untuk Thuram. 1 gol 1 assist kah? Yep. Osula 1 gol 1 assist, Gumoha 1 gol, Berardi bagus. J.I. Jazz lagi-lagi Gallagher Murik dengan 1 penyelamatan ya, walaupun selama 1 penyelamatan tapi GG sih Murik.
Grazie mister, è un piacere averla ai nostri microfoni.
Mundur.
Grazie ancora per il suo
Berardi.
tempo.
Ntar Pak, saya mau ganti sesuatu sebelum kok squad hub. Target playernya itu CIJS, near post, Turam. Nah, back postnya kayak apa-apa. Top of the box attacking. Doik. Ningumoha. Edge. Losek aja lah. Back post, oke. Top the box, defensive cover. Oke. Kita lanjut lah, gas. Kita kan melawan Genoa. Oke, hey bos. Oke, mantap. Thank you. Oke, kita akan menghadapi Genoa di Serie A. Dan Burger holding midfielder. Apa ini 11 pekan? Ntar di holding midfielder, long pass, defensive wear-nya ya tentu saja. Ntar Conor Gallagher tadi kok masih bisa berkembang sih harusnya Conor Gallagher. Nap. Oh, enggak. Oke, at least nambah-nambah apa kayak. Box to box 86 pekan. 62 ini apa? Playmaker. Box to box. Oke. Biarin situ aja. Turam anjir. Anjay. 8 gol anjing. Gelo. Oke. Bianco. Ntar 2 message dari oke. Welcome back Montero. On analisis mereka menggunakan double pivot ya. Oke. VT-nya strikernya ya. Cross in the danger zone. Set piece penalty. Finish shot game changer. Oke. Kita akan penalti melawan kiper ya. Good job. Terlalu kencang kah? Nope. Oke. Oke, good job. Oke, lo masuk semua dong. Kita save dulu lah. Yuk langsung yuk musuh lawan Genoa. Oke, untuk klasemen tetap kan. Kita di peringkat ke-7 turun ya. Oke. Kalau kita menang, kita bisa naik 2-3 tingkat ya di klasemen. Volpato Sulemana Morimovic. Oke, gaskan dia.
The atmosphere is electric as Two teams worthy of the biggest stage prepare to collide in front of a packed stadium. Well, hello to you and welcome to another exciting game brought to you by EA TV. My name's Guy Mowbray.
Yuk, gas.
Joined by Sue Smith in the commentary position, and we've got a game for you today from Serie A. It's Sassuolo, and they take on.
Anjir,
Well,
agresif.
both managers will be reminding the players that it's important to get off to a quick start.
Setiap
Really attack
saya
the
membahas,
opposition
oke,
and
kalau
put them on
kita
the back foot from the
menang,
off.
kita naik
Hopefully
klasemen
get a
2
good
kali,
game.
itu selalu, Pak. Hasilnya sebaliknya. Tapi apakah sekarang ini seperti itu? Kita lihat aja. Atau ini nggak seri lah. Biasanya seri atau kalah lah kalau saya ngomong gitu. Cuman kali ini kita buktikan kita akan menang. Kita harus menang. Oke. Fokus. Oke, Gallagher, good job.
This is how the visitors start the game.
Well, it looks like a 4-2-4, which is a very
Astaga,
attacking
ngoper
system.
kemana?
Having 4 players in the opposition final third. The 2 midfielders, they'll probably sit and help out the defence, just allowing that front 4 to go and do their thing.
Aduh.
It's no surprise who we've picked out to have a look at here. What should we expect today, Sue?
Well, he's been in a different class this
Aduh,
season.
si
Almost
Holosek
every
malah
game he seems to
situ
provide
lagi.
2 or 3 clear-cut chances. They're going to have to mark him tightly if they're going to contain him today.
Stopped straight away.
Cir. Nggak corner. Dapat.
Christian Gunter. Good job done to keep it there.
Yeah, uses his body well there.
Still looking for that final pass to open it up.
Baini.
Using the weighted ball.
Justo.
And a cross that could be dangerous.
Oke. Monteiro kosong.
Being the goalkeeper's ball. Doge.
Oke, Thuram. Aduh, kok kesana ngopernya.
Excellent reading of the game to win the ball.
Doik. Alah, Doik. Good job, Doik, Doik.
Able to keep it in.
Alah. Masa kalah sprint. Sprint sih menang dia.
Well, they want to make a challenge here. Keeping the ball, but
Ayo
being
dong.
kept at bay with the sides locked level. But it was a build-up with no end product. Berardi.
Aduh. Di tengahnya kemana ya?
And it's
Tenang,
played
tenang,
with
tenang,
great
tenang,
mind
tenang.
there.
Santai, santai, santai. Pelan-pelan, Pak. Pelan-pelan. Oh, nggak bisa ditutup jalur passingnya langsung ini.
Gallagher. Dr. Berger. Berardi. On to Gallagher.
Walah,
Closed it down well.
terburu-buru sih. Biarkan dia sedikit lari, tusuk itu bisa harusnya. Ya inilah.
Malinovsky. Lazzari. There's a good amount of freedom here.
Doik bisa. Wah,
Teeing up the chance now. Lazzari. Here we go.
pegang dong Turati, anjir. Gelo. Thuram. Ngapain? Aduh, Thuram.
Delivered into the box.
Alah.
But met by tidy hands.
Sumpah Pak, lini depan kita kayak bukan biasanya loh.
Malinovsky.
Terobos
The referee's whistle brings the first 45
Nggak ada,
minutes
Pak.
to a close. He hasn't really been able
Kan
to put his
kita
stamp on the
tahu
game
banget.
to this point. There's not been a great deal to admire.
Yeah, he needs to do
kanan
more for
sini.
me. He's been a bit off it. I
Perlu
think his movement can be
diganti.
better too.
Ntar
I
ya,
also
buka
think his
dulu ya.
teammates can find him quicker. He's certainly the key to them winning this game.
Babak kedua ya.
We're off again and let's let's hope that that first half was just the warm-up. Frendrup.
Ntar kita kasih 5-10 menit lah untuk Monteiro.
Christian
Bisa
Gunter.
ganti dengan Gumoha ya.
Vitinha. Heads it through. Oh, terrific from the keeper. Super speed, razor-sharp reactions. A reminder for you now of another Serie A
Aduh,
score
masih
coming
harus
up
di
on
player
TV
lock sih.
as Sassuolo face Cagliari. Really hope you can be with us for that.
Lah, si Monteiro.
Oh, what a good ball. That could be in.
Oh, set anjir. Biarin lo sek dulu lah.
And there's going to be a change now.
Kawal burger.
Christian Gunter.
Oke.
Vitinha. Oh, could be here.
Idol oke. Struik.
It's a corner and possibly the chance to go in front. They take it short. Played in with that.
Siap. Wih, sprint.
They're being
Turam
afforded
maju.
too much space here.
Alah. Gak bisa.
Nice through there,
Turam
thanks to
ngapain
his defending.
ngendok di belakang anjir.
Read the situation well.
That's a good ball.
Alah. Giliran ke belakang, ke depan, giliran ke depan, ke belakang. Pocer, nah. Udah, yuk.
Flag is raised. That'll be offside.
Press.
They're making a change here. Oh, and he's won the ball. What happens now?
Oke.
And it's
Game
there.
changer di
They have
latihan
the goal.
bagus ya
They
Playsternya
have the
ya.
lead.
Playster sementara ya.
Well, if we look at this again, he shows great
memanfaatkan
vision and
blunder
awareness
dari
of
pemain
the ball
Genoa.
through, and he watches it all
Cier.
the way, then just
Trivelanya.
tucks it in with confidence.
Pam. Gelo. Ganti pemain kah? Enggak lah. Ini 75-an lah ya. Gaskan. Yuk.
1-0 then as we get started again.
Fokus Pak, fokus yang penting.
Celik. Johan Vasquez. Christian Gunter. Ruslan Malinovsky. Lazari. Malinovsky. Staying patient, and the defence staying in shape.
Yeah, they're keeping it so well, aren't they?
Oke Rio, santai.
Well,
Kasih depan.
now for a quick transition.
Turam minta dulu. Berardi lari. Oke.
Lovely incisive ball.
Mahal Trivela apa itu Berardi? Gelo.
Well, this is all
Domenico
about how
Berardi.
quickly they go from back to front. The pace on the counter's frightening, and then it's a fantastic finish.
Yahut.
Brilliantly, and the keeper just can't.
Kita bisa ganti pemain ya. Oke, mungkin Osula. Volpato boleh main. Atau Berardi jadiin kita striker ya. Osula, no. Moremovic, Struik, Sipras, oke. Udah mentok ya. Oke. Yuk.
Get to it. That's a nice goal.
So away we go again at 2-0 now.
Yuk tetap fokus Pak. Ini belum end game ini Pak. Tetap fokus.
Celik. Johan Vasquez.
Udah ngumuha buat speed-speedan sih, mantep sih. Apalagi ngelawan big Serie A yang ya nggak punya pace lah istilahnya.
Ruslan Malinovsky. Still going here. Malinovsky.
Salah.
Lazzari.
Rio.
There to cut it out.
Wih. Rio, tunjukkan aksimu.
That's a really impressive seal.
Gelo,
It's been
Rio
a
ngumuha.
fantastic performance.
GG. Dia sih kurang strength aja ya. Kalau masalah speed sama acceleration GG sih, pace-nya GG. Cuman yang perlu dibenahi dari dia itu finishing, long shot, juga strength ya.
There's a
Oke.
fatalistic air to the kickoff. They're out of it now.
Ini belum berakhir. Apakah kita akan memutus kutukan bahwa jika saya berani ngoceh di depan seperti kita harus menang. Akhirnya kita menang. Biasanya kan kita kalah kalau nggak seri. Kalau saya ngomong gitu ya. Kalau saya bilang oke, ini kurang. Kalau kita di match ini menang, kita akan naik 1, 2, 3 peringkat. Nah biasanya itu hasil pertandingannya seri atau kalah. Dan kali ini menang. Dan skor yang cukup dan itu akhirnya kita bisa lah naik ke posisi Turam. Ngumuha 1 gol, Turam 2 assist Pak. Struwik, Jai Ijas, emang duet keturunan Indonesia ini gelo emang.
Siamo qui con il mister che ringrazio per aver accettato il nostro invito.
Oke, Berardi seperti biasa lah ya kapten kita. GG-nya nggak ketulungan. Oke, kita mungkin 2 match lagi lah ya.
Abbiamo finito. Grazie del suo
Oke, di peringkat kelima Pak. Europa League. Siap. Harusnya sih poin kita sama dengan Napoli ya. Atau anjir. Oh enggak sih, Napoli 55. Oh iya, tadi dia belum main berarti ya. Oke, good job. Jadi peringkat 1 AC Milan ya. Dan kita artinya kurang 10 pertandingan lagi ya. Oke. GG. Oke, kita save dulu biar aman lah. Ya kan? Biar aman adik-adik. Kita opponent analisis dulu. 5-3-2 anjir Bellerin. 4-4-2 Nero. Belotti di depan ya. Oke, training dulu lah. Shooting seperti biasa. Yuk. Gila si Berardi. Berardi dilawan anjir. Udah kita hajar situ aja ya. Ketepis Pak. Oke. Job. Yuk langsung match day. Gasken. Oke, sekali-kali kita bisa mainin Matic lah ya. Murik juga bermain bagus. Oh, anjir. Ratingnya naik 1. Oke, Murik di pertandingan selanjutnya aja ya. Dan juga Marty. Morimovic nanti bisa. Si Pras juga. Nanti aja lah. Oke. Sung menuju kandang dari Bolonya.
This is the kind of occasion we all relish as football fans. Non-stop hype all week. A wet night in store for all concerned. Good evening and welcome. I'm Derek Ray, ready here in the commentary position, and alongside me is the former Arsenal, West Ham and Coventry midfielder Stuart Robson. I'm greatly looking forward to bringing you live coverage of this match being played in Serie A.
Salah. Saya pencet R2 itu tadi. Waduh, Gallagher nggak dapat lagi. Alah, Bang Jai.
And so for the Sassuolo starting lineup.
Well, they play with a diamond in midfield, which makes the role of the holding midfield player so important. Is he there to dictate the play with his passing or be a defensive screen? I'd hope he could do both jobs.
Santai.
And support available.
Jur Prati. Kan mantan pemain kita, Pak. Aduh. Oke, Captain kosong. Alah. Terlalu deras kok. Anjir, padahal saya cuma pencet biasa. Kenapa kenceng gitu ya? Burger sih gelo. Astaga. Passing salah terus, Pak. Oke, good job.
Well, they were so clinical, weren't they? 3-0 fairly represents the difference between the two teams. And when you look at the two teams today, I'd expect them to win again. They should be too strong for their opponents here.
Kurang maju.
Well, that's a big chance. Yes, it's on the volley, but I think he should score there.
Arahin dong ke gawang, kayak itu terlalu ke pinggiran, Pak. Wih, kok ada gitu?
Well, that was a really excellent piece of defending there.
Alah, si Monteiro ini habis cedera menurun ya.
It was an attack of promise, but no end product. Project.
Waduh.
Assessment of the situation at the back.
Skemanya udah GG itu padahal. Oke, Turati. Sip. Oke. Turati kosong. Nah, gitu masa harus player lo kayak gitu, Pak? Ya ampun, jangan ke tengah dong. Finishing macam apa ke tengah? Udah saya arahin loh padahal. Ya ampun, Turati, positioningmu. Kena loh. Kalau mainmu kayak gitu terus ganti sama Murik, Cok. Sumpah. Wih, langsung balas nggak sama first time-nya Berardi. Siap, terserah. Selebrasi apa kek?
Well, it's great awareness of space in the box, and then he shows a lot of composure with the finish. That's a clever goal.
GG.
So the ball is rolling again at 1-1.
Aduh, Monteiro.
Well, that's splendid play.
Wih,
Well
Pascal.
read to ease the pressure.
Nggak bisa. Gusto kosong. Berardi minta.
Gusto. Berardi has it.
Santai. 1 menit, santai.
Malo
Santai,
Gusto.
santai, bos. Santai.
The referee has decided there will be just 1 minute of added time.
Santai, ha. Kan?
The
Oke.
first half here comes to an
Mantap.
end. Well, he's been-
Yuk. Masih 1-1 ya.
Teams back in position. Second half underway.
Alah, Thuram.
Superb defensive judgment to end the attack.
Nggak bisa. Lari.
Flojek
Thuram.
to open up the defence. And in! Oh yes! Exactly what
Kasih
they were
tahu
hoping to
selebrasi
achieve.
ini, Thuram.
They delivered the goal.
9 penampilan 8 gol di Serie A,
Well, here it is
anjay.
again, and it's a superbly weighted through ball to break that defensive line. And once he gets onto it, he just smashes it past the keeper with great technique.
Gelo.
What an
W
emphatic finish
Thuram.
that is.
Bisa sih umpan ke Berardi, cuman saya percaya sama Thuram nggak sebapuk Pinamonti ya. Sorry Pinamonti ya.
Well, two
Tapi
women's
ente
here.
Pinamonti sehabis cedera nggak sama dengan ente sebelum cedera ya. Wih, burger. Harus panggil timnas Belanda burgernya.
Now with Thuram.
Ah, offside.
And beyond the last
Okay.
defender, offside. For more live action from Serie A for you to look forward to, it's Cagliari against Udinese. They might yet score.
Wih, gelo Struik gangguannya.
Well, I have to
Gigi.
say, that's a wasted
JHS.
opportunity. They should be level here.
Well, he prevented it from going over the line.
Lari sendiri, bawa sendiri. Hajar sendiri aja. Alah.
Well, here's a match coming up on
Nggak bisa, ayo.
EATV that I think you're going to want to join us for.
I'm really looking forward to it. Always a great atmosphere in that stadium, and it should be an entertaining match.
Alah, kok ke situ sih ke Losek loh.
Luperto. Effective challenge.
Oke, Losek. Selesaikan sendiri.
And
Alah,
they did.
tengah anjir. Bisa sih umpan ke Thuram.
Now sending it in. Well, it comes to nothing in the end. And teammates to play it to. Giving it a go.
Oke, corner lagi. Oke, gantian pemain aja lah ya. Saya gantikan Usola. Gue mau masuk. Muarimovic jangan dulu.
And with play stop, they will make the change now.
Ah.
Well, a corner kick it is. Let's see if they can put this to good use as they try to add to their advantage. Burger. Gives it a go.
Oke, corner lagi.
He's been influential today, but the manager decides to make a personnel switch at this point. Playing it in.
Thuram.
Masterful performance. The defenders unable to stop it.
Anjir, 9 penampilan 9 gol, Pak.
Well, here it is again. It's a well-delivered ball into the box.
Gelo. Oke, kita ganti. Oke, Morimovic boleh lah main. Di tengah boleh Matic. Jarang dapat kesempatan. Sip. Circati, Pak. Bermain sangat bagus menggantikan JJS. Oke. Ntar. Gallagher harus ganti sih. Struijk, Morimovic. Nah, Circati boleh main di ini lah ya, Copa lah ya. Kita kasih dia waktu di Copa. Gusto. Gig. Oke. Oke, good. Wih, hampir hat-trick. Oke, hat-trick ini harusnya. Hop, hop. Pas kiper. Oke. Aduh. Gusto. Ntar, oke, Solemana. Alah, kelamaan. Osula.
5 minutes to go. Well, that attack collapsed completely.
Lari. Thuram lihat.
Good looking move. Can he score?
Anjir, Gumoha.
Well, they've been getting the substitute ready, and now they will make the personnel change. Trying to deliver it accurately.
Hampir, Pak. Hat-trick.
Precise enough from that position.
GG sih Thuram sih. 6-1 shotnya Pak Doik. Tetap aja Doik penyakitnya.
Teammates available.
Aduh. Kuning sih itu.
That is asking for a yellow card.
Oke, kemenangan penting ya. 3-1 Cagliari. Yuk gas, last match, gas. Oke, kita lihat dulu. 13 shot, Pak. Anjir, Thuram 10 anjir. 2 gol 1 assist, Berardi 1 gol 1 assist, Losek 1 assist. Gusto GG, defense-nya Gumoha. Doi GG, Berger, Itses, Gallagher. Gelo. Siap lah ya European table ya. Champions League siap. Ya kalau kita masuk Champions League ya kita beli pemain yang levelnya A lah. Setara Gallagher atau Thuram kalau bisa. Oke. Untuk Manzon siap. Untuk Moretti left winger. Oke. Dia left winger. Di inside forward aja. Bentar. Salah Pak, inside forwardnya bukan yang itu. Bentar. Moretti. Dia GG loh. Nggak nambah stamina. Sama-sama nggak nambah stamina. Ya LW ya. Sama aja lah. Yuk. Oke, pertandingan selanjutnya melawan pemuncak klasemen Serie A yaitu AC Milan ya. Oke, sekarang kita di peringkat keempat guys. Artinya kita di zona UCL. Anjir, peringkat 5 European League. Oke, mereka menggunakan formasi 3-1-4-2. Oke, siap. Kita training dulu lah ya. Training sendiri. Ntar. Ya, goalkeeper lah ya, penalti goalkeeper lah. Ente tahu sendiri kemampuan penaltinya Berardi di atas rata-rata lah ya. Boom. Siap. Boom. Sekali lagi yuk. Cool. Jepret. Sekali lagi, Pak. Oke. Tengah bisa nih. Wah, anjir, padahal pencet tengah loh. Nggak apa-apa lah. Oke, Montero. Oke, tenang, Montero. Job opportunity. Anjir, tim-tim nggak jelas. Kapan-kapan aja lah. Oke, ini pertanyaan terakhir ya. Oke, untuk klasemen, anjir, sama kayak Sassuolo poin kita, Pak. Oh enggak sih, selisih 1 poin. Ini mereka akan menghadapi Genoa. Oke, jika kita menang, ya kita melihat hasil mereka lah ya. Kalau mereka menang juga kita tetap di posisi kelima. Oke, siap. Oke, gas. Apapun yang terjadi, kita harus menang. Semua kita simpen buat sprint lah ya. Murik. Oke, gas. Langsung aja ya. Langsung kita mainkan.
Well, it's a real privilege for us to get in there and see a confident boss at work. Getting just the right... A warm welcome on what is a perfect day to watch football. I'm your commentator, Guy Mowbray, and I'm delighted to have Stuart Robson's expertise alongside me. We've got action on the way from Serie A. What are we going to get from this one?
We can talk about coaches and their methods, but it's now down to the players. Which ones are going to stand out, who will affect the game, and who will have the greater desire. It should be a cracking game, though.
Here's the Sassuolo team sheet.
Well, good luck to the two midfield players, I would say, because in this system, they have to do a lot of work and at times will be overrun.
Montero.
If the wingers play well, it should be a very interesting
Aduh,
match.
Lusek Polis posisinya jelek itu, Pak.
This is how the visitors start the game.
Well, it's adventurous.
Montero.
4-2-4, that's for sure. A back four, two holding midfield players and a front.
Mainnya saya lupa, Pak, kipernya berkok dari A. Anjir, Jasari. Marcus Thuram mencetak gol ke gawang temannya sendiri di timnas Prancis ya. McMahon.
Well, here it is again, and you have to say it's the perfect delivery into the danger area, and then what a great finish as well. Good connection with the ball, leaving the keeper with little chance. It's a great goal.
Ente bukan Maldini ya, jangan ngerti kok. Yuk, gaskan. Kita main menekan di awal bisa lah ya. Oke.
Gallagher. Could turn out to be a really good ball. And into the box it goes. Oh, it was a wonderful chance. But he went to whack it.
Thuram GG. Ada dendam kali ya sama mainnya. Gusto.
He might have looked at this fixture with a bit of dread, given recent meetings.
Yeah, he won't be
Alah.
It's a chance to change the narrative here
Gusto
today.
kurang naik itu.
Mikel Oyarzabal.
Oke, depannya mereka beli Oyarzabal ya.
Rabiot.
Untuk Leao sendiri dia pindah ke
They might be in.
Liverpool kayaknya.
Oyarzabal.
Gelo burger. Santai.
Struijk. Malo Gusto. Berardi.
Gak usah. Burger dulu.
Gusto.
Gak bisa.
And on to Berger. Ball
Duh,
given away.
Monteiro kelamaan lu.
Ruben Loftus-Cheek. Strong work there to keep it.
He's so good at doing that.
Bahaya. Burger cover.
Beautifully weighted ball.
Menyala Bang Jai. Wih. Bahaya. Anjir Monteiro
Struijk.
terlalu maju bro. Ntar dulu.
Marcus Thuram.
Ada offset. Anjir, kan R1 panjang kayak gitu, itu gimana ya? Sumpah, itu apa ya? Nampol bolanya waktu di R1 itu kenceng banget. Kenapa ya?
Santiago Jimenez.
Anjir.
Ruben Loftus-Cheek. Moving nicely and real purpose to this.
Bahaya.
Is this the equalizer?
Astaga.
Second best no longer. It's level again.
Siapa nih Oyarzabal? Siapa anjing?
Well, here's the replay. He's got
30.
such quick feet, hasn't he?
Wardun Jazari.
Goes past his marker to get his shot
Tumben
away.
GG, Pak.
That's a really good goal.
Conor Gallagher.
Tuh.
On to Gallagher. Malo Gusto. Now with Berger.
Sumpah Monteiro. Astaga bola.
That's a bad one. Just how bad is down to the referee.
Speed.
This is
Tunjukkan
what
speed
they're
lu.
looking for, the counter-attack.
Arahkan.
This has to
Arahkan.
be. It's in. That gives them the lead and well deserved. You
Selebrasi.
have to say.
Selebrasi. Kuping. Anjir. Kok bayi? Siapa habis melahirkan bro? Anjir 14 gol. Ini balapan sama Domenico Berardi ya. Mike Maignan tidak bisa
Well, here we can see it again.
berkata-kata ya
And it starts
setelah
with the ball
gawangnya
over the top.
dijebol oleh
Perfectly
Lusek.
weighted. And there's certainly no doubt
Boom.
about the finish. He really
Trivelasi,
hits the
Pak,
pad
itu,
and
Pak.
accuracy. Nothing the keeper can do about that.
Pus. Gelo. Nggak bisa dijangkau itu pak. Prime siapapun sulit sih.
And the game restarts with the score now 2-1.
Oke. Babak pertama kita masih unggul 2-1.
So to be in for the first 45 minutes.
GG. Anjir Pulisic masih ada di bench gak dimainin pak.
We're back
Oke,
underway. 45
kita belum
more
selesai
minutes to
ya. Ntar dulu.
go. Gallagher.
It.
Loge.
Astaga.
Missed the chance.
Well, I think he should have done better there.
Placing aja tapi harusnya ya. Oke. 5 menit lagi lah kita ganti Monteiro dengan Lumoha ya. Gak bisa.
Conor
Gak
Gallagher.
bisa.
Well, EATV is your home
bahaya
of
sekali.
Serie A, and we've got more on the way as Sassuolo face Monza, and that's one surely not to be missed. That's a lovely
Aduh,
ball. There might be something
bulat
building now.
harusnya tuh ya. Anjir.
Loftus-Cheek.
Monteiro bantu turun.
Now Oyarzabal, keeping it nicely here.
They certainly know how to keep the ball
Oyarzabal. Astaga, nggak kena dong.
This could get interesting.
Aduh, Ostroik.
The defense quick to snatch it back. Now the chance for them to pull forward. Berardi delivered into the middle.
Berardi larinya ke situ lagi.
Looking for.
Duh, bahaya, counter attack.
Oyarzabal. On to Rabiot. The pass was read and the ball has changed hands. Berardi. On to Gallagher.
Aduh, ngapain diem di situ? Nyari celah kek. Monteiro.
Danilo. Santiago Jimenez. Hoping to start something from deep here. A good spell on the ball, but they are still behind.
Alah. Ya ampun, Berger. Aduh. Ada apa ini sama Berger, cok?
Well, here it is again. He hits this so sweetly, doesn't he? That's a brilliant goal from a top-class player.
Gallagher. On to Gallagher.
Turam maju kek. Alah.
On a Gallagher. Really quick tempo to this move.
Well, they're so easy on the eye when they play.
Ntar salah ini. Pocher. Target. Oh, pocher aja lah. Double pocher.
Like this.
Well, this might be promising.
Astaga.
Oh,
Berardi
wonderful
tadi
stop from the keeper.
sepi kah?
Well, he's
Nggak
gotta
dikawal
be
kah?
pleased with that save.
Nggak lihat, Pak.
Absolutely magnificent.
And the pass
Oh,
is
tadi Berger
incomplete.
padahal
Nicely won.
kena loh ke kolong itu, Pak, sumpah.
Well, I have to say, I thought that was the winner.
Yaudah lah, oke.
Mike Mannion has just pulled
Rio.
off a great save.
Big moment.
Aduh, ketutup semua, Pak. Nggak bisa. Mundur dulu. Duh, Rio Momoha nggak ada lagi.
Strauch. If they want to win it, this could be the chance.
Set anjir, tapi Mannion gila sih refleksnya.
Comes a change.
Dur. Oke, at least menang duel dulu. Alah.
5 minutes left now. Pavlovic. Nkunku. Need to get tighter here.
Gusto. Good job, Gusto.
Cross the line, it'll be a throw-in. Nicely sets it up.
Oke.
That's a good challenge.
Anjir, masa imbang. Alah, malah
Now, what can they do from here?
offset.
The attack broken up.
Berardi maju dong.
Well, they certainly got the defense.
Alah.
That's
Lucu.
close to the action.
Drop point kan. Anjir, kita 7 shot. Ngentiau. Oke, semuanya imbang juga apalah. At least kita bertahan di posisi 5 ya.
Siamo in compagnia del mister per le prime
Si
impressioni a
Berger,
caldo sul
Berger.
match appena concluso.
Sama Monteiro sih. Berger kali ini aja blunder dia. Oke, match terakhir ya.
Ultima domanda.
Dan pertandingan selanjutnya yaitu melawan Monza akan saya mainkan di episode setelahnya atau selanjutnya. Oke, sekian, terima kasih dari saya. Kurang lebihnya saya mohon maaf. Akhir kata saya ucapkan wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.